Self-sponsored versus employer-sponsored for a national interest waiver? That is the question. While most candidates generally default to a desire to self-sponsor their NIW, some employers who pay for the filing may require that the petition is filed as an employer-sponsored application. I'm here today to discuss the pros and cons of both situations. A self-sponsored NIW allows for greater flexibility in your career, enabling you to switch jobs or start your own company in the U.S. without restriction. You also have full control over your application and broader career opportunities to serve in the national interest, rather than being limited to the single confines of an employer's objectives. You're also able to maintain complete control over your application process, making decisions on your own personal timelines and your career goals. On the flip side, with an employer-sponsored NIW, you may have enhanced credibility from an adjudicator's perspective, and your employment with a U.S. organization may better support the narrative of how you'll continue to work in your field. Additionally, the employer's interest in your skills may help better satisfy the requirement that your work has substantial merit in the U.S. An employer may also take on the financial burden of the NIW legal and government filing fees. That being said, employer control over the process can introduce delays, and their priorities might not always align with your professional or your personal immigration goals. At the end of the day, an approved NIW, even when employer-sponsored, is better than not having an approval at all. Want to learn more about national interest waivers for yourself or your employees? Call Berardi Immigration Law today.